Hello, my name is Alan. In this video, I will take you through how to ask the right questions to Copilot for technical support. So to get started, let us jump to the introduction to Copilot. Copilot is an AI companion created by Microsoft. It can help you with computer problems, explain technical terms, and guide users through tasks. It works on Windows, Mac, mobile, and also web. How to talk to Copilot? To talk to Copilot, use a simple language. Be specific about your problem. Ask a follow-up question if needed. For example, you may ask, how do I connect to Wi-Fi? Why is my screen flickering? Can you help me update Windows? Why questions matter? Asking clear, specific questions helps Copilot understand your problem and also provide accurate answers faster and avoid confusion. So remember that Copilot is smart but cannot read your mind. When you ask a question, you might make sure that you differentiate between vague questions and clear questions. A vague question is such as my computer is broken, and a clear question is such as my Windows 11 laptop won't connect to Wi-Fi after restarting. This is a clear question because it is specific and also it is clear. Okay, now we've got some example of a good question and an example of a bad question. An example of a bad question is such as my computer is broken, help. This is too vague. AI doesn't know what's wrong or what you were trying to do. And in the response it will give, Copilot will ask you to give or describe what is really happening, like to give more details. An example of a good question is, I need help. My computer shows a black screen when I turn it on. I wanted to check my email. I restarted it twice, but nothing changed. Can you help me? This one is a good question, and Copilot will respond giving you step by step on completing this task. When when trying to make a prompt to Copilot so that you can get technical support, make sure that your answer, like your prompt include the answers to these four questions. What's wrong? The first. The second, what device or software are you using? Third, what have you tried? And fourth, what do you want to know? We've got some real examples here on how we can ask the right questions to AI, to Copilot. This one is about fixing Wi-Fi. The question is, I am using Windows 10 on a Dell laptop. It shows Wi-Fi networks but won't connect. I've restarted the computer. What should I do next? The other question is about using a text editor. I'm new to computers. How do I open Notepad and write a document? And the third question about printer offline. My Canon printer says offline when I try to print from Word. I'm using Windows 11 and it's connected by USB. How do I fix this? Now we've got some final tips on how we can ask right questions to Copilot. You ask like a pro. Be specific, mention what you've tried, ask one thing at a time. Now you're equipped to ask a Copilot the right way. Try it today and take control of your journey. Thank you very much for watching this video.